today we are gonna make a margarita, but it's gonna be a special margarita. This is my favorite drink. Actually, margaritas are my favorite drinks, but like the good stuff about margaritas, you can make different types of margaritas, and it's gonna be just with the simple hard liquors, and then we're gonna add like magic. The magic we are gonna use today is gonna be Hpnotiq. The only ingredients that we're gonna need is gonna be tequila, the Hpnotiq, triple sec, and then lime. So if you're making it in your house and if you don't have the shaker, don't worry, you can make it in a glass and then just with the spoon like mixing all the ingredients together. But right now we have the shaker, we can use it. The first things we need to do is add the tequila. We need 2 ounces tequila, whatever brand you want, anything you have in your house is gonna be good. If you have the shaker at your house, because I know it's quarantine and everything is different, like difficult to get right now, you can use a tequila shot, like just regular shot that you have in your house, and that shot should be 1.5 ounces or maybe 2 ounces. We're gonna use 2 ounces of tequila. And first is the liquors, not the ice. I'm going to tell you why. Then we're gonna add just 1 ounce triple sec, or could be the half of the tequila shot of triple sec. Then the magic is 1 ounce of Hpnotiq. Why we use the triple sec if we have the Hpnotiq? The triple sec is something like the transition for the makeup. The triple sec is something that you need to make drinks. It's like the transition between the fruit or the peasant, that could be like the ice or the water or the seltzer or the beer, whatever you're gonna mix. The hard liquor could be whiskey, rum, vodka, and then the triple sec is gonna have the transition of that. But why we use 2 liquors for transition in this margarita? Because the Hpnotiq is a cognac, like a French cognac, but it's a little bit not as sweet. So if you don't like the strong, really strong margaritas, you can mix it with triple sec and you can find that sweeter that you're gonna need, but not adding sugar, because I don't like to put sugar in margaritas, and I recommend people not to put sugar because the sugar with the alcohol is not good. So you can feel like the cocktail is not as strong, but actually you are feeling is the sugar, not the liquor. That's why. So 2 ounce tequila, 1 ounce triple sec, 1 ounce Hpnotiq. That's what we have. And then we are gonna put the ice, like good size of ice, half of lime. If you have like a really bad lime at your house, you can put the whole lime, but this is kind of good, so I'm gonna put just the half of one, and then let's give a really strong shake, okay? Let's make it really, really cold. We're gonna fill the glass. I have my fancy glass, always fancy. We're gonna fill it with ice, good point of ice, and then if you want you can give another hard shake. Actually, I'm gonna do it again because I like the margaritas really, really cold, and the cognac is a really hot drink. So you have to shake it really good to find that cold have a fresh ice. Look at this beautiful color. Sis, let's try it. Let's see. It's beautiful color, beautiful hue. Oh my god. This is my favorite drink in the world. You should try. So try, let me know how is it, and then we're gonna have another margarita, like a special one.